Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the secret chat on Telegram. So you can actually have a privacy and very secretive chat with someone on your Telegram app. Yes, so I know a lot of you don't know about that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing, open up your Telegram app just like this. So you have to pick the person's DM you want to have the secret chat with. So you click right here, touch the profile. Just touch the profile and click on it. So it's going to give you this look. Once you do that, click on these three dots on your screen and you can see start secret chat. So you are going to click on that, and once you click on start, it's going to start a secret chat. But the reason why I'm not going to do that, I'm not going to click on start, is once I click on start now, it's going to go blank because you can't be able to screenshot the chat once it is on secret chat. You understand? If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.